today we're going to Animal Kingdom. Sorry, I look a stain. I literally look horrible. But today we're going to Animal Kingdom and I'll show you what we do there. We're going really late, it's like 12 o'clock now, so we'll probably arrive at 1. But we'll try and get some rice in, so I'll see you there. So get too attached.
It's just about the biggest missile in the history of our planet.
Please gather personal belongings from the couch in front of you and remain seated.
And then we went to get some vegan grilled sweet corn from Harambe Market. It was really nice. And then we picked up some cocktails from Nomad Lounge. These are so good, and we just took them into the Avatar queue.
It's just stunning, isn't it?
How much a banshee? Where?
How did you do that? Is that you? Ooh, scary.
And a lot of people think it's related to the zebra because of those black and white stripes on its legs, but for us because it's very good at hiding. Their large horns lean back, which allows them to get their thick and tangled underbills have horns. Females stay in packs of about 3 to 10, while the males stay. I'm seeing it. The wildebeest has one of the largest migration patterns on Earth. 1.5 million to 2 million of them migrate every single year. Also on the right side there, those little tiny guys, those are springbok. The springbok gets its name because it can spring 6 feet high and 13 feet forward in a single leap. They're also in the top 10, but we're going to get pretty up close to a couple. Well, maybe. If they don't get in my way. Just make sure everyone is seated, guys. You'll see them eventually. So these are Maasai giraffes, and they're the tallest land animals on Earth. So there's one. See if there's any others. Oh, there's 2 females, yeah. So with lions, the females primarily do the hunting while the men...
Where's it going? Jump, look at his little face. Jump. Reminds me of the worm from Labyrinth. Just looking around an old town. Yeah. I got piercings. Like cool cereals. Ooh, cool. Cocoa Pebbles. Something like him. Mama.
I haven't got milk in. I'm sure.
Do they not have minis?
No, but I'm like, Mum will have cereal, but I'm like, what kind of cereal would you have?
Yeah. She's basic, so
What do you
she'd just
think?
have anything.
Do you think she'll eat this?
I hope so.
Moving on.
I'm tired.
Hello guys, so today we're heading to Hollywood Studios So it is really rainy and wet though, so hopefully it'll be good and we can get some rides in. I think we might be going to Epcot also to get some quick food because Hollywood Studios isn't great for vegans. So yeah, I'll see you there.
Was it welcoming enough? I hope so.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
You want to go do the set?
Don't let the waiting time scare you.
Salesman at the door with a mustache. I said, tell him I've already got one.
To Epcot in Skyliner.
For the Caribbean beach resort or not?
Yeah.
They're like wide of the screen. I'm the Disney Skyliner. Oh my god. Oh, it's pretty airy actually. Oh my god. Can you carry the both of us?
Skyliner. Can you walk around on it or not?
No.
Oh, the chocolate cake's here as well.
What should we get?
How much should we get it all?
So yeah, we went to Trowel and Trellis and we got the Impossible Lumpia and the Impossible Korean short rib. And it was actually so good. Really good option for vegans. And then we went to Lotus House to get the pan-fried vegetable dumplings. These were probably like my favourite from Epcot. And then we went to the American Pavilion to pick up a cocktail. This cocktail was literally so sweet, but it is a really popular drink, so people do love it. And then we went to the Tangerine Cafe in the Moroccan Pavilion and we got this hummus trio. It was actually so nice. You should definitely try it.
5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Woohoo! You win one cent.
But don't! It really stinks. One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything.
Trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet.
Bountiful harvests, now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Millet plus rice account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption.
Why is that shocking?
I think we're babies.
Why are we actually babies today? I know, but we're doing things we've never done.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games! Ooh, and I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right! Oh.
Kill a motor, dude.
Hey, Jimmy, what I can do? I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea.
Literally Nemo. I'm sorry, Nemo. Why is it Nemo and Marlin? Oh, I'm so sorry, Nemo. The same
Henry, there's some screw dolphins. Did you see? Oh yeah.
That's literally crazy. Is that crazy? What are they using to move? What are they using to move? What are they doing? What are they doing? And they camouflage into the rocks. Like they can change their skin colour. What are they doing? Aliens, aliens, literally aliens, aliens. They've got feet as well. They're really cute. All this time I didn't know that anemones were living things. Oh my god, look at that over there. It literally looks like an alien. Let me in, let me in.
Understanding new terrorists is just one of the reasons we are here. Our Andromeda galaxy has more than one.
The leader of your group was telling me about the plan to save Xandar from the rogue crew.
Wait, did you say the leader? I'm the leader. Wait, who said that?
It was Rocket.
Well, don't believe anything Rocket says.
But he said it was your plan.
Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? Oh, I'm on. Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans.
Happily whatever you're after. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Why is it blurry?